Have you ever thought about pairing your brand with another? I've been diving into brand pairing lately, and it's powerful, especially when you use it for your uniforms and your merch. Brand pairing is when you connect your business with a product, an influencer, or another brand that shares your brand values. When you collaborate, your message gets far louder, stronger, and more credible. Take this cap, for example. This brand in our industry is known for quality, durability, and professionalism. Now, I pair it with my own brand that stands for the same values, and instantly the message doubles in strength. Now, here's the best part. I did it through my uniform. Simple and powerful brand communication.